Hey guys, so in this lesson we're going to go over maximum flow. So let's have a look at this. Right. Imagine you have a favorite drink, right? I don't know, some of you might like, that like Cristiano Ronaldo thing where they get like water only, right? I don't know what your favorite drink is, maybe it's Solo or Fanta, Sprite, maybe apple juice, I don't judge. But basically, if we wanted to fit that drink down this pipe, it would be limited, right, by this 25, right? We can only fit 25 liters through this whole thing because we can only fit 25 liters in here, right? So this is going to be capped here at 25, right? Same if it's like this, right? If we have a pipe going like this, right? The amount we're going to put in here at the start is going to be equal to 25. Like the end part is capped at 25, so there's no point putting 58 in here because it's not going to fit all in here a minute. Right? And so the same is true for this one. Let's say we had 10 liters a minute in here, 58 liters a minute in here, and then 25 liters per minute in here. We're going to be capped, right, at the smallest one, right? So we're going to be capped at 10 liters per minute, right? As compared to the 25, right? Because the 10 liters is smallest, right? And so if we come to questions like this, right, it's the same kind of theory. So have a look at this. How much can we fit through here? We can fit 300 in here. So 300 is going to flow through here. 300 is going to flow through here. Right? What about this bottom one here? We're going to fit 150 in here, 150 in here, because this is capped at 150. Right? All right, so let's keep going. Let's go down to these questions here. Right? So when we're calculating the max flow, right, we're just going to keep doing, I just choose to do a specific pathway. So any pathway, doesn't matter. Let's choose this one at the top. Let's see how much we can fit through here. So 3, we can fit 3 in here as well. We can fit 3 in here as well. Right. One thing to notice is that we have a source here and a sink here. Right. Everything must flow from this source. Right. It must flow from this starting dot. If it can't fit through here or here, it doesn't go anywhere in the network, right? And in addition to that, if it flows from here, it must also end up here, right? It can't end here or something, right? It must go from start to finish, right? So they're important things to know, right? And so here, right, if I look at this pathway, the max we can fit in there is 2. So I'm going to put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Right, at the end, I'm going to put, right, this pathway is capped at 2. So I'm going to put another 2 in here, 2 in here. Right? And this is the max we can fit through this whole network. Right? And so the max flow is going to be everything at the end here, right? Everything that ended up at the end. So max flow equals to 3 plus 2 plus 2. Right, and that equals to 7. Right. We keep going round. Let's go to this one. Right. The max we can fit through here is 4. Right. So 4 ends up here. The max we can fit through here is 4. So our max flow is going to equal 8. Right. If we go to a more complicated one, right, let's go to this one here. All right, so if I look at this top pathway, right, it's capped at 6. So I'm going to put 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here, just showing how much is flowing through them. Right. I'm looking at this bottom pathway. I can fit 5 in here, 5 in here, and 5 in here. Right, and I'm just seeing what else I can fit. Right. So I can fit another 3 in here. another 3 here, another 3 here. Right. If I have a look at this pathway, I can fit 1 in here, right? So I'm going to put 1, 1, 1, 1. And I can also fit 2 in here, right, going this way. Right, so I'm going to put 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So our max flow is going to be 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2, and that equals to 17. Right. Making sure that like you can actually fit stuff in here, right? Don't put like another 10 in here, right? Because 10's not going to fit in this here, right? So, you know, use your brain for these, right? And a bit of common sense goes a long way. Let's just do this one. Right. First, I don't know, scan the top one. 6 can fit in here, 6 can fit through here. Go through the bottom one, so 8 fits in here, 8 fits in here. How much more can we fit through? We can put 3 in here, 3 in here, 3 in here. Right, and then the top one, right, how much more can we fit in here? We can fit 1 through here, 1 through here, 1 through here, 1 through here, and 1 through here. Right. So our max flow is going to be 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8. Right, and so that is plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 equals to 18. Right. And then you just scan to see if you can fit anything else in. This is full. Yeah, max. Right. So that's max flow. We're going to go over to minimum cut next, and then we'll finish up with some HSC questions.